going on YouTube. So just pretty much getting around today. I plan on doing something that needed to be done for a long time now. The hatch struts on my Z obviously are bad, and I plan on replacing those today. Right now I'm running up to O'Reilly's because they have them in stock. I could go to Concept Z and get them, but
in 2 miles, turn
I
left.
don't feel like driving that far, plus time. They're not too expensive. I want to say they're like 50, 60 bucks. But yeah, I'm on my way to get that, and then also probably stop and get food, get some wieners. I want some wiener. But yeah, I'll come back when I have the actual shocks in my hand. So apparently I'm the only one that got a wiener. She ended up getting nuggets. I got that foot long boy. But look at this. She asked for ranch. And they gave it to us like that. Like, for real? You think we're gonna eat that shit? Alright, but I did get these. Oh, shit. Go ahead and try to pull this one out the box. There's some stocks. Nothing like the high pressure ones or anything like that. High pressure ones are usually, I think last time I looked, they were like 120 bucks. But I'll come back when I'm installing them. This is very simple. This is going to be a 12. You just gotta loosen this bolt right here. You are gonna have to do like a little bit of assembling on the other one. So basically, I'm hitting this right here, 12. These are 10s, and that's to pull out the rest. And then they gave me new bolts for these. A new little bracket that I just popped in there. Literally just push it in and it pops in. Same thing with this side, but obviously how that is, they gave me another one, and I don't want to pop it in yet because I want to be able to just screw that in and then just pop. So it's pretty simple, just a few bolts. But yeah, I'll come back once I get it all the way off and show you guys. Alright, so now I got this one out. This junk. Well, this one actually might be good. Might be that one. I don't know. But yeah, so pop this all out. As you can see, there's nothing there. Now, here's the old bolts. Just gonna set them right there. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one off. And I'm trying to convince my wife here to do one of these. See if she can get it. I wanna see. But we'll see what she says. But yeah, here's the bolts that I need. Come with washers. So now I do put this in here. These ones are 12s, different size. So let me find my 12 and then I'll come back. Alright, so I lied. It's not a 12, it's an 11 for some reason. But anyways, getting that on there. Make sure it's nice and snug. Alright, now Watch, this is gonna be 11-2 or 13 or something. I told you, I knew it. Yep, here we go. Did this have any washers or anything?
I don't think so. Maybe they both.
Yep. Just need one. Alright, so go ahead and put that on there. Nice and snug. And then just gotta turn this. Aw, you bitch.
We need to push up more.
Yeah, if it can. Alright, it's in there. Alright. So we got one down. Now I'm just gonna do the other one. If I can convince wifey to try it, I would like to. But
Why? Why do I have to do it?
because I wanna see if you can. I got all the
You want
tools
to see
right
all
there.
those guns?
Mm-hmm. So, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright. So I got her loosening it. She's doing a good job with her beautiful self. See guys, I don't even work on cars. I always have her do it. She knows more than me, so. Alright, so that one's done. Now you need this and this. Let me set it up for you. God damn, this thing sucks. There it goes. Alright. Make sure you're on there. Hold it up at the top. No, you're going the wrong way.
What?
So you always want to push down like this, like so it braces it. Don't go in the wrong way. Go the other way. Like that. Yep. Alright, so we got the new one on there. And I set everything up for her. Hold it on there.
What?
Hold it on there. An easy way when it's just loose like that. Look. Okay. Just hold it like this. Now you can tighten them. Hold it down with your other hand, put it on top.
What?
With this hand, hold it on top when you're going to tighten it so it stays down on it. Just push down. Alright, now you gotta do this.
Like this.
Nope. You need that 13 right there. So drop this in and then just screw it into there. And then tighten it with the 13. You're off, you're loose. Right there. Yeah. Another way you can do this, do the box end. So now, all you gotta do is pop that in there.
How?
Twist it.
Twist it. How the hell is it twisted? How the hell is it twisted?
Alright, I'm gonna lift it up and you just put it in there. Alright.
Like that?
Yep, there we go. Alright, look at that. The moment of truth. The hatch holds. Ta-da! Good job.
I'd rather just stick to makeup.
Huh?
I'd rather just stick to makeup.
Leave a comment if you're into makeup, guy or girl, I guess, and if you think she should make a YouTube channel for makeup. But this is how you do the install for the hatch. Obviously it's quite simple, it's nothing too complicated, but for now I'm going to go inside and relax, probably play some Call of Duty. Looks like it might monsoon. This is Arizona, but like, share, subscribe, peace.